All right, everyone. Hello and good morning. It's not super early, so I thought I'd get a video out before I have a workout. I'm at the gym now in the office. Let us go to this account. All right, so this is going to be an end of month update and an end of week update as well. So I was pretty happy with the Aussie dollar short that I took. It was Thursday night around 10:30 Perth time was the entry. As you can see, June was down -1%. January and February were both positive as well on the account. I actually changed brokers into March. Actually, let's have a look at January and February. I think it was on this account. I mean, clearly though, I still do. Now, unfortunately for June, what did happen was I went long Aussie and long Euro pound early in the month, and I've made videos about this as well. The stops were, at the threshold of too tight. Like I was okay with the stop, but I did get stopped out. Then they both actually took off, which was quite unfortunate, to be honest. So this is actually, March was. So I actually did trade in March as well on this account, and then I transferred it over to, I think it's Sam Trade. So that's how, the start of the year had looked. So, not too bad. I am positive pretty much on the year so far. But it's frustrating, and then I believe it would have been Euro Pound again was long at the back end of June. On about the 25th I got in, and then we actually will click this, and that was break even. So it's just like, it's, and then it took off. Like it took off. So that would have been completely different, would have made up for April and May and June. But I mean, that's not paying bills, is it? At all. So, that's why I make these videos. I want to continuously be transparent. I want to, keep my accountability. And I guess really what I didn't respect with the stocks was the ranges, the ATR, and the daily range. So I've got to be keenly watching that. And I didn't really. I was sort of just like, what? I'm looking for a 1 hour trade, which is fine, but I've got to be able to watch it, and I wasn't able to watch it. And the problem was with that is that I didn't move to break even when both trades actually moved pretty nicely in my favor. It was just unfortunate, and then the Euro Pound as well. That was break even, and that, but the Aussie dollar trade was pretty good. It didn't want to fall much more than it did, but that's okay. So look, in regards to making a watch list video, that will be coming tomorrow, guys. Today I've got a few things on. But, to recap the Aussie dollar trade, and I've made a video on that as well, which I made, would have been yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was Friday. You've got to, if you are working other jobs and everything like that, and you're busy, you want to be paying attention to key market like resistance points and support areas or zones, and be monitoring that at key times of the evening, because I mean that Aussie dollar trade was was during New York session was moving, the equity markets were selling off a little bit, and then the US dollar index was actually, it bounced a little bit. So it was 97.20 odd, and it was there was some momentum. So it just worked out really well. But it's just unfortunate that there's no hiding away in trading. There's really not. Like it was 2% pretty much made in March, and it was pretty positive in February, and January we were down, and then April, May, June. It's been sort of, I've still been going after it, and execution was probably not quite there, but I still continue to persist here, and I think once I'm in a winning trade that's valid, I need to let that run though as well is a big thing, and not interfere too early and respect the ranges, instead of just sort of going in a little bit improvised, which just doesn't work. Like there's no set standard like stop in regards to pips if you're trading different pairs, and that's what bit me. And I didn't really pay attention to that, which was a little amateur to be honest. But look, guys, I think that's enough from me today. That's how I'm looking with the account so far for the whole year. So I think I am, up a little bit, but it's not, again, it's not paying bills. If we go, let's go back and see if we can get like a overview of everything. We might not be able to see my profitability though. Like it's not fantastic. Um, but you see, I lose more than I win. So really, what I need to do is when I am winning, the winning needs to be needs to be good. You know. Um, let's just see if we can bring the whole thing up. This is interesting. My One Japan Live account. Interesting. That's quite the wild ride, actually. I haven't seen this one in a little while. I don't know how I did the overview. I did trade the prop firm account this year as well. The high that was August 12th as well, as you can see, so 10%, which isn't too bad, but it's not like fantastic. Alright guys, I think that's going to be the video. Thank you for watching. Watch this video will be coming tomorrow. Thanks guys.